Maintaining a soccer field to regulation standards can be a daunting task. From FIFA to the MLS, there are strict guidelines to follow, and collecting accurate data is essential to ensure your field meets those standards. But what if there was a way to take the hassle out of your data collection? Introducing Terrascout, the revolutionary new robot that will change the way we manage sports fields. Current protocols require manual labor, using machines like these to measure moisture levels and checking for ground compaction. But with Terrascout, that can all be done automatically, freeing up your time and resources for other tasks. Using our app, you can easily start your session and customize the data you'd like to collect. The Scout will then generate points and autonomously navigate the field while avoiding all obstacles along the way. The Terrascout then presents the data in an easy-to-read format where you can easily select the data you'd like to view. Take the hassle and guesswork out of maintaining your field and come by our table on design day to learn more. Thank you.